What is up, you guys? In today's video, I want to test out a kind of popular product that I'm sure you guys have seen. I've seen it over Instagram and many different areas, and a lot of detailers are talking about it. And it's the company Shine Armor. Fortify Quick Coat. Not sure if you guys have heard of it, but it's a super famous company. And they sent out this little package to me just to go ahead and test it out. And that's what I'm going to be doing today. And as you guys saw in my last detailing video, I showed you guys how to fully clean the outside of your truck, and I did put on a type of ceramic coating, but this one's going to be a little different, and I'll go over this right now. Also in the box is going to be 2 microfiber towels. Alright, so on the bottle it says waterless wash, shine, and protect, and then on the bottom it says the ultimate ceramic coating formula. So waterless wash means that even if your car is dry, you can go ahead and spray this on and it'll clean it and give it a protectant at the same time. Usually I don't recommend doing this as a detailer myself. You want to make sure that the car is always going to be clean before you go ahead and wipe something on the paint. But if you're ever in that situation where you want to just quickly wash your car, you can use this, and then it's also a shine and a protectant. So basically what you want to do is go ahead and spray it on your microfiber towel, wipe it on the vehicle itself, and then wipe it right off. Alright, now before you want to go ahead and apply the coating, I'm going to just wash the hood of the truck, and then I'm going to come right back and show you guys how I apply the coating. What you want to do is take the Fortified Quick Coat and spray it on your microfiber towel, and I folded it into forts like this. So now I'm just going to go ahead and spray a couple. I'm going to go ahead and put it on half of the hood, so you guys are going to be able to see the difference between when it does have the Fortified Quick Coat and when it doesn't. So I do have a little bit of a wax on here. I'll link the video of when I put that on and how to fully detail your Tacoma. But for the meantime, I'm just going to go ahead and do it on half of the hood so you guys are able to see the difference. So you want to apply it in little sections at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and do this front section here, and then you just flip it over and you wipe it right off. If you guys can notice, but I kind of did it right here is the halfway mark, and on this side of the hood it has a really deep glaze and gloss kind of to it, and on this side it's not super deep. It's still kind of nice because I have a wax from last time's video like I mentioned. You guys should never really do this because it could scratch your paint, but I do have a paint protectant on here anyways. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the bottle on one side and see how it slides off, and place it on the other side as well. So let's go ahead and start off with the untreated side. So left side, I didn't apply this coat, and let's see how it plays out. So you can see it's slipping just a little bit there. It's kind of staying still. Give it a little nudge. So slipping a little bit, and like I said, you don't want to do this because it could scratch your paint. But I'm gonna let's put it on this side now, and you can see that it's sliding way more. So now I want to show you guys, if I push it a little bit, it's still gonna stop. Even if I keep pushing it, right? It's still stopping. See? If I go ahead and do the same thing on this side and give it a little nudge, it's gonna keep going and it doesn't stop. So look, nudge it on this side, one more time, and it stops. Now on the side with the Shine Armor, nudge it a little bit and it's just gonna keep going until I have to catch it and it falls off. You can see that this stuff is super slick, and it actually gives it a really nice protectant. And what I'm showing you guys here, that this side is way more slippery and this side's a little bit more sticky, even though it still has a wax on here. So what this goes to show is that when you apply this coating, any bugs or dirt that's gonna stick on the paint is not gonna stick as normally as it would on this side. So on this side, you're gonna have bug marks and stuff all over the place, but on this side, even if you do get some bug marks, they'll wash right off because the paint is so slick. Somewhere else I wanna go ahead and apply this is gonna be on my engine, and I wanna show you guys right in here. I'm gonna give it a little pre-clean, and then I'm gonna apply the Shine Armor on here because it's safe on all parts of the car. So let's go ahead and do this on the plastic piece of the engine. So I just have a wet towel here, and I'm just gonna give it a quick clean. And so you guys can already see, when you clean your engine, it makes it look really nice. So let's now go ahead and apply the Shine Armor on here. All right, so now same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some on my actual towel, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the engine itself. Now here is the after, and even if it's not that big of a difference, it has a protective coating on it, so it's gonna stay cleaner for a lot longer, and I can definitely see a difference in person. But as you guys can see, this is something that you can put all over your car. Metal, plastic, glass, so every single part of your car you can go ahead and protect it using this Fortified Quick Coat by Shine Armor. As I showed you guys, there's many different ways to use it, many different areas you can apply it on the truck itself. If you guys want to go ahead and grab this product, you can use the link in my description below and you can grab it there. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys can please help out the channel by giving a quick like and a subscribe, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.